it's...
I'm trying to see which one's easier to see him. This way. Anyway.
Oh, God.
Okay. It's both Budgie and Budgie.
Jen
and Ab. Okay.
Yeah.
And we're doing a cage tour of Nemo's cage.
Once again, we might be making her.
Okay, so right here we have a big door. Big door.
And you forgot, this is his poop thing.
Yeah, this is a tray with all his poop and stuff he kicks out.
And down there, supplies.
Yes.
Just so they don't know where you keep that stuff.
And this is a smaller door. I'll open the food so it doesn't spill. Food. And it's like this thing. Put that in there.
And please
Then
don't call the
what
cage
else here?
stupid. It's a very good cage because
So there's a
it might,
water. No, it's okay. It'll splash. Then we have in here, we have some millet on the bottom, trying to get him used to millet.
and peoples.
We have a perch.
Once again, peoples,
A
please.
training perch.
Yes, training. Please do not be like, why is it so small or anything? It's not a small cage. It's one bird.
For randomly, AB just put in Ab, same thing. Just put in a box for some reason.
That he
Came in. Keep it in there. That's only gonna be in there for a little bit.
finds.
Thank you.
He doesn't really like
This is
the
a natural
this.
perch. Natural. It's a natural wood perch. He's not on that. We have this little beak thing. He sharpens his beak and all that stuff. Which isn't really good because he bites me sometimes. It's a normal wood perch. We have a sand perch ladder. The special stuff on the ladder.
We'll go inside the cage. Well, really, but you don't.
Okay, then we have a foraging toy, which has like this piece of leather and stuff. Then we have a swing, which he's on. We have a cuddle bone back here. Over here.
Don't know if you guys can see that yet.
Yes.
You can.
Yeah.
That's a Nemo. The awesome bird. The opposite is about
Now there's a cozy over here, which he does not really sleep in. Then there's a normal perch back here. Then we have a mix of cockatiel and carrot inside, because he's English Budgie, so he's big enough to have cockatiel.
There'll probably be a video up on stuff like that, like what you should feed them and all that.
Yeah.
And
then
there'll be a trick
here
video.
yes, there will be a trick video too. Then we have a little bird bath. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this one. Ow. And then we have another cuddle bone. Then we have a bunch of millet. Then we have baby wipes. We have a bunch of baby wipes on the ground. I'm gonna clean this once a week on Mondays. And then I'm gonna just do a total wipe of his perches and stuff.
There's thunder and
Sorry.
lightning.
And for his perches, I'm just gonna wipe those off twice a week. I'm gonna wipe them off quickly with a baby wipe on Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday or Thursdays, I'm just gonna wipe them off, like wipe off all the poop with a napkin or something. Then on Mondays, I'm doing a whole clean out the cage, which will be hard because I've never done it before.
And real quick,
Yeah, there's an old tablecloth that I wanted at the campground and couldn't use because our table at the campground is it's not circular. This is. Can you see it? Yeah, it's like one of those plastic tablecloths.
it has snowman on it, but that really doesn't matter.
A lot of seeds on it, all over, and millet spray that he kicks off and stuff. And then, can you hand me that? Or show that?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is the cloth we put over him at night, over his cage. We leave spots for air. And
So don't be
close
like,
the window.
you're suffocating the bird while it tries to sleep, because she's not suffocating the dang bird. Well, not the dang bird, but you know.
The bird. I'm climbing through a table.
He's like, thanks for showing that.
Yeah, look at him.
Oh, and there will be like
A trick video.
trick videos and supply videos, like what you should get for the bird and other stuff.
And how to pick out a healthy bird. And what molting is, because I didn't know. Thanks to Budgie World, now I do.
that'll most likely be in like a random video because that doesn't really. It's not worth having that in like.
Yeah, a whole video.
And well, that'll probably be like in a like thing about.
We're also doing requests.
Yes. Please request videos and join the bird club.
Yes, please. We have no idea, so the bird club is still open. Please join the bird club.
I'll probably be joining it. But I don't have a bird.
Even if you don't have a bird, you can still join. Even if you just like them or they like you.
Yes, birds love me. Yes, we will be making a hermit crab collab. That video will collab. That'll be up soon. Like as soon as I were to get my hermit crab. I'm not getting hermit crab. If I do, there'll be a collab. If I don't, well, I will. I mean, dogs are kind of.
It's not like you have 3 dogs. Bella, Buster, Scooter.
Yeah.
Bella, Buster, Scooter. In the order, Bella, Scooter, Buster.
Correct.
Comment and subscribe.
Bye. I can show you.